So welcome to another short morning stretch with Arrivé Yoga. Today we're going to take it very, very easy on our body. This is just a daily stretch you can hit every day that's going to change the rhythm of your day. So first things first, you got out of bed, maybe you had a little glass of water or tea, yourself onto your back, hugging the knees, taking a deep breath, and just start to sway from side to side. And at the same time, you're rotating the ankles. If this becomes complicated, you can come to stillness and then rotate the ankles. Squeeze and release the toes, point and flex the feet, eventually extending the legs up towards the ceiling, breathing in. And even though this is a short practice, take a few moments here to just breathe, to relax the muscles in your face. Breathing in. Releasing the shoulders, releasing the arms next to the body. And just give yourself permission for today to feel and be exactly how you want to feel, and wherever, whatever that is. Accept it, embrace it, and take a day to nourish yourself, even if you've got meetings that you can't avoid, that you don't simply want to do today. Let it just be a part of your day, and let everything else around those things, the moments before and after, be exactly as you want them to be. And even the moments during, go ahead and bring the legs down, soles of your feet together, knees come apart. And even for the moments during those things that you have to do today that you don't want to, see if you can bring a new perspective, bring a new energy, bring a new mindset, and try to find the opportunity within that moment. And just releasing the weight of the legs here for a few breaths, extending the arms above the head, and release the arms straight out to the ground. Deep shoulder stretch, breathing in here. Reaching fingertips to the top. And then exhale, release the hands down, bring the knees together, extend and bring yourself into a tabletop position. Spread the fingers as wide as they go. Inhale, cat-cow. Going straight into the spine, start to rotate the head, rotate the hips. Releasing any clenching in the jaw. And even though this is a short practice, try not to rush here. Try to slow it down. Instead of doing a lot of different movements, see if we can use few movements to tap into many areas in the body. One more deep breath here, and then exhale, big toes together, knees mat width apart, extended child's pose. Release it down, walk the fingertips to the top of your mat. Exhale, let the chest become heavy. And just start to roll one shoulder down and then the other. With every exhale, rather letting the shoulders and the chest become heavy rather than pushing or forcing the shoulders down. Inhale, walk it forward to puppy pose, really reversing that bend of the spine, especially if you're a stomach or side sleeper. Inhale, bring it back to center, knees to center. We're going to extend that right leg hip height and then bring it all the way forward. Deep breath in here. Exhaling out. Inhale, center, straighten your back. And then exhale, roll that leg all the way over to the left side, coming onto the outer edge of your foot. Side body stretch. Inhale, bring it all the way forward, low lunge. Deep breath in here. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale forward. Open up the chest, roll the shoulders down. Big smile, because today's going to be an awesome day. Exhale forward. Inhale, bring it back to center. Take a few moments to just roll the hips around if you need. Rolling the head. And when you're ready, coming back to center, navel into spine, tailbone down. Lift that left leg, deep breath in. Exhale, bring it forward to the left. Bring it down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, down. Inhale, halfway. Bring it back to center and all the way over to the right. Coming onto the outer edge of that left foot. Bring that side bend. Inhale, back to center and bring it all the way forward. Low lunge, deep breath in. Exhale, back. Make sure to flex that front foot. Inhale forward. Exhale back. One more inhale. And then this time, curl the back toes under, lift that back knee, plant the palms, and bring yourself into plank. Deep breath in here, spread the fingers. Exhale, chaturanga, bring it down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Take a few moments here, a couple breaths. Really root to rise, extending that spine. Deep breath in, big smile. Relax the muscles in the face. Exhale, drop left hip down, looking past your right shoulder. Inhale, center. Over to the other side. Inhale, center. And then keep the tops of your feet on the ground. Exhale, lift the hips up to down dog. And then bring it down. We're really going to utilize this down dog here to really tap into the whole body. So bend one knee, straighten the other, moving the hips side to side, releasing the head, opening the shoulders, whatever feels good for you. Take that moment to embrace it, not forgetting to also create a stretch in center by bending the knees, coming onto the toes, and then lifting the tailbone up towards the sky. Dropping the chest, releasing the head, breathing in here. And then exhale, roll yourself all the way forward. Ragdoll fold. Grab the hands behind the head and release the weight of the arms, release the weight of the head. Let that deep stretch in the back of the neck. Release the hands down. Engage the glutes, bend the knees. Inhale, roll it all the way back up. Arms to the sky, deep breath in. And then exhale, grab that left wrist with your right hand. Bump the hips to the left and pull over to the right. Inhale, center, over to the other side. Inhale, center, reaching up. And then exhale, go ahead and bring the hands to the chest, standing nice and tall. And we're going to end our practice here today. If you have a little bit more time, I highly recommend for you to maybe grab blocks or pillows, whatever you want, and just trust your body to know what it needs and just start to stretch, start to move, start to breathe. And with that said, I wish you a beautiful day full of energy. I was going to say I wish you a beautiful, energetic day full of new opportunities. Thank you so much for practicing with me this morning, guys. I'm sending you so much love. Ciao.